This is the palace of King Eyo Honesty II. I'm the descendant. My name is Ekpenyong Eyo Iba.
Efiong Ekpenyong Eyo.
Ekpenyong Eyo Iba. That is my name. I'm a descendant from this palace. So, if the tourism or whatever they call it, say they want to come and replace it, well, because this should have been a monument.
Yes.
It's a monument already. It's a monument.
It's a monument.
Yes,
so that's it, you can see it yourself. And I can even, you can go upstairs there and then show you more, even though it is locked. I know my great-great-grandfather, all of them have died now.
Your great-great-grandfather has died?
Yes. Even up to my grandfather, they're all dead. So, but the palace still stands. Because with what you've seen here, this fabric is not from here. They were sent right from overseas. That man. They were sent right from overseas because of the life King Eyo Honesty was with the European cargoes. What do you call them? The supercargos.
Yes.
They had to erect this for the remembrance that anytime he dies,
yes,
the structure should remain here for the remembrance of the supercargos.
So, Honesty Eyo
Honesty II
was very important to Ekpe history also.
Yes, it was very, very important. Actually, he brought, let me tell you, he brought Okpogho into Ekpe. He brought Okpogho into Ekpe. And he used to gather the thieves and everybody around here and ask them to go to church. But he himself, and advised them to be baptized. But he himself refused to baptize. That as soon as he baptized, that it will go contrary to
Ekpe. We see cannons here on the front. Why are they here? What do they represent, the cannon?
A cannon.
Otombe.
You mean this cannon?
Yes.
This shows the sign of Obong, that he was a king. Yes. Because you can't get this in an ordinary place. Apart from the palaces of the Obongs, who were loyal to the supercargos.
Okay, so it's a sign of Obong ship, loyal to the supercargo.
Yes.
Power, it's a sign of power.
Power, yes. If he says, that was the time he says, nobody from Creektown should move, nobody will ever move. They said, King Eyo says, nobody should move. Nobody, who are you? You can't move. He says, if you move, then Ekpe will deal with you. In Ekpe's tradition, and it will deal with you. So therefore, as soon as they heard, they said, oh, it is King Eyo who says we should not move. Nobody will move. It's King Eyo II.
So in your own family, Okpogho, you own Okpogho?
Yes, yes. That is why anybody who is Etubom of King Eyo Honesty II must be a Okpogho title holder. That title is deserved only for in Creektown here, the family of King Eyo Honesty. Anybody who is Etubom holds that title of Okpogho. Yes.
Okay. But other people who have Okpogho title, do they need to get it from your family?
Well, they don't need to have it from our family, but since we've spread it, it is through us that other families have it.
You are the root, the origin.
We are the roots. Like Nkanda, who is Archibong's family.
Yeah. Nkanda. But how did Eyo receive Okpogho? Or did he create it himself?
He didn't create it himself.
He received it.
In fact, I don't know where he brought it. I don't know where he brought it. But as far as we are concerned, we know he brought it into Ekpe.
Okay.
And they accepted it.
Okay. What else do we need to know about this palace?
Well, I think I've given you all the information I know about it. I am just a great grandson. So maybe, had it been that we have elderly people who are still alive, they could have been able to tell us more.
Yes. Now, King Eyo Honesty was around the 1830s, 40s.
Yes.
A time when many people were going to Cuba. Many Ekpe were going to Cuba.
Cuba, yes.
There must have been many wars at that time.
Yes.
Eyo Honesty with other villages here. Do you know about that?
I know that when the people left, when they were bought as slaves to that place, he was alive. He was alive. But I cannot tell you his part, the part he played. Only I know of some part that he played. That as at then, when an Obong dies, you have to see that slaves are put in the grave. Oh dear, slaves are put in the grave for the Obong. He is the one who stopped it.
Yes.
King Eyo says no. Don't put any woman. Don't put any. When he dies, buried him.
Yes.
It is King Eyo Honesty who stopped it. So that's much I know about him.
Bye-bye.